Dear students, for today's channel, I will talk for Fire and Ice poem written by composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost, famous American poet, composed Dust of Snow and Fire and Ice. These two poems, which published in New Hampshire volume in 1923. This collection gave him Pulitzer Prize. In the poem Fire and Ice, this poem belonged to only 8 lines, but its content is deep. It is certain that this world will come to an end. Poet shares the belief, trust of the pupil that, that everything which exists now will end sooner or later. Such type of subject is characterized in the poem. In this poem, poet takes two elements of the nature, fire and ice. Fire resembles humans' angriness, and ice resembles hateness. Poet is saying in opening stanza, some say the world will end in fire. Some pupil. In this world, some pupils say that the world will end in fire. कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं कि इस संसार का विनाश आग के कारण होगा. Some say in ice. कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये संसार बर्फ से खत्म होगा. From what I have tasted of desire, poet is trying to touch the experiences of his life, whatever he has earned in his personal life. He said, I have tasted of desire. Tasted of desire, experienced passion and desires in love. मैंने, कवि कह रहा है कि मैंने कई इच्छाओं को, कई मनोभावों को जिया है, पकड़ा है, समर्थन किया है, अनुभव किया है. So he said, what I have tasted of desire, whatever I have learned from the experiences of my previous life, I have concluded this fact that it is the desire for which we suffer in the world. So I hold with those who favor fire. According his trust, according his thinking, he said he stands with those persons who think that this world will be end in fire. ये संसार, जो लोग ये मानते हैं कि ये संसार का अंत आग से होगा, अर्थात क्रोध से होगा, मैं उनके साथ खड़ा हूं, क्योंकि मैंने अपने जीवन के दिनों में अनुभवों से इच्छाओं को पाया है, और इच्छाएं ही क्रोध को बढ़ाती हैं, और क्रोध वो आग है जिसमें मानव जाति नष्ट हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट लाइन, बट if it had to perish device, perish destroy, नष्ट होना. I think I know enough of hate. अगर ये संसार 2 बार नष्ट होना कभी कल्पना कर रहा है, हो सकता है आग से पूरी तरह, क्रोध से ये संसार पूरी तरह नष्ट न हो पाए और 2 बार इसे नष्ट होना हो. आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ हेट. तो मैं सोचता हूं कि इस संसार में जो घृणा है, मानव जाति एक दूसरे के प्रति घृणा रख रही है, इससे भी ये संसार नष्ट हो सकता है. In this poem, poet is first taking the favor of fire in resemblance of desire. And in the second part of the poem, he is taking the favor of ice in resemblance of hate. To say that for destruction, ice is also great. Poet is taking the favor, not only fire, but also ice is sufficient and would suffice. Suffice, sufficient. Hate and passion, these 2 things are sufficient for the destruction of the world, because no warmness thinking, inactive thinking due to hatredness is enough for the destruction condition of the world. So writer is in last lines, he is taking this fact that the cold reasoning is like ice. So ice itself is sufficient enough to cause the destruction of the world. I hope you have cleared this stanza. Now I want to discuss about the style of this poem. बोर्ड में, क्वेश्चन में, पेपर में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. सिंगल syllable is not wasted, means every word is suitably used. Its rhyme scheme is A B, A A, B C B, C B. Write it. Rhyme scheme is A B, A A, B C, B C B. This rhyme scheme is followed by the poet. Language of this poem is very simple. Subject of this poem is universe. In my next video, we will discuss about the important question series of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.